In this video, I'll show you how to schedule Instagram messages. So to start off, it is really important that you have your Instagram updated to the latest version. So you can go ahead and check this in your App Store or Google Play Store by searching for Instagram and then clicking on update when this is available. Also, it is important to update your device to the latest version. So if you have that all done, let's dive into the video. And to start off, we're going to click on the top right where we enter our direct messages. In here, you're going to the chat. And right now we are going to type a message. So let's say that I want to send good morning, next morning. So you're going to long press the send option, just like I'm doing right now. And as you can see, we will now enter the schedule mode. And let's say I want to send this tomorrow at 9 a.m. Then we can basically select the time and then we click on send tomorrow at 9 a.m. And as you can see, this scheduled message is now ready. And this will be sent tomorrow at 9 a.m. So that is how you do it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.